Hi there, savewith.crypto here. Okay, so last night I put out a video called Massive Bitcoin Move Tonight, or something like that. And I put like a fairly sensational thumbnail there. I was just wondering if anything would happen with it, with the video. And yeah, I got 40 more views than usual. Watch time was about the same, and somebody unsubscribed. So, so that wasn't very good. Now, to be honest, I did think something would happen though, because I just feel like there's something brewing anyway, and I thought maybe the MicroStrategy news, if it was good or bad, it might make a difference, but it didn't seem to make any difference at all, really. So that's that, really. Anyway, I've lost a subscriber, so if you're not subscribed, can you subscribe, please, and leave a comment down below to tell me you've done so, and I'll be really happy, and that will make my day. But yeah, not very exciting, really. That was the analytics for it. Revenue, I made nothing from that. Yeah, so that was a bit of a waste of time, so sorry about that. Okay, just looking at Bitget here. I was actually fairly good last night. I was like about $1 in profit with a trade, and I didn't know what was going to happen overnight. And I thought, to get a good night's sleep, I'm just going to close the trade and then look at it again in the morning. And in fact, what it did was very little, really. It just sort of wiggled around a little bit. I mean, I am kind of looking at this sort of interesting pattern here that it should, in theory, break up to the upside. And to be honest, nobody knows, do they? Nobody knows what's going to happen. This orange line is a line that I stole from Satoshi Stacker. And that's a line of resistance. So in theory, if we get above that and stay above that, then the price should go up, but you're probably looking at something like a 4-hour candle to close up there, which doesn't seem to be particularly happening at the moment. So yeah, I'm looking to get up here and either go straight up to the moon or maybe just fake out and come back down, maybe right back down, down real low, like 30 something. But to be honest, I don't know. I am, however, doing a little trade, which was in profit a minute ago, and then now it's not. So all I'm doing at the moment is I'm looking at the Bitcoin price on the 5-minute time frame, using my two favorite indicators, which is the whole suite, this green and red trend band thing here, then the VWAP standard deviation bands version 2 mod, which is these bands up here, the red things and the green things there. So I'm just taking the odd small long, just a little scalp long, just in this part here, and then sort of riding up until the whole suite looks like it's going to turn red again, and then closing the trade and just repeating that. And I'll keep doing this all day long, and I know at one point I will come unstuck because the price will go stupidly down, or I'll take profit and the price will go stupidly up. But that's what I'm doing, just to keep myself amused. But you see, what I'm looking for at the moment is I'm looking for this whole suite here that's now red, looking for that to turn green, and when that goes green, I'm hoping the price will go up and I should be nice in profit, and then I can move a stop loss into profit and then relax. Okay, so that looks like it's starting to do something now. I seem to be $128 in profit. So if we check that out on TradingView, yeah, still not gone green there, so this could be quite good. And generally what I do is I look at the price and how it responds with this whole suite thing, and you get used to what it normally does. And if it does something unusual, it's not going to do what it does normally. I'll try and show you an example. This one here was green for a long time and the price went up quite a lot. Okay, no, it did actually go quite high then. Now when that went red, the price had actually come down quite a bit by then, and it continued to come down, okay? And then it did something a bit unusual because it went green, but it wasn't a green like one of these big ones here. It was just a little one. It did, however, go up a little bit. Then it went red again. Then it went green. Then it went red. Then green. And this kind of sideways action isn't particularly normal. This was like very late last night, just before midnight UTC. And then in the morning, obviously when the Asian markets start to trade, the price of it came down quite a lot. So here, you can see that the red whole suite there. I was obviously asleep then, but and the price coming down madly. And now what I'm looking for is a similar thing to this, you see, where this starts to go green, and I've already seen the price going up a little bit, and then I will kind of look for that starting to get thinner and go red again. So you know, ideally you'd come out of the trade there, but that hasn't happened yet. So what I'll do, it's 12:30 at the moment in the UK, so that is actually UTC. And maybe I'll come back in about 15-20 minutes and see where we are. But meanwhile, I was going to mention the fact that I have actually bought a chunk of EGLD, which is here, which I'm actually going to use to buy the lottery tickets for the Tada launchpad that's happening in about an hour's time, I think. So I will do another video about that if that interests you. So obviously you'll see my assets go down here by about $2,300. And okay, it's 12:41 now, so about 11 minutes later from the last part of the video. And you can see here there's a tiny little bit of green just started to appear there in the whole suite, which is great. That said, I don't think it's going to go that far, because I think when it gets into the top end of this VWAP thingy, I think it will probably like come back down again, you know. But there is always the chance that we could go beyond this orange line and then close up here and then go much higher. But that's looking good now. So I think I should be nicely in profit now. Yeah, okay, so that's $307 in profit. That's good. If you're wondering, I'm using a margin, so the amount in the trade is 0.169 Bitcoin. So, you know, it's reasonably large. I'm using 15x leverage, so that means it's like as if I'm trading with $109,000 or 2.544 Bitcoin. So it's all quite exciting, you know. That would give a liquidation price of 40,184. So obviously I'm not going to let it go down there on my... I think now I'm reasonably in profit. I think I will set a stop loss round about there, like 42874. So let's do that. So there you go, 42874. So that says there the expected return is 0.00005, 0.29% if it goes down there. Okay, so do that. And I'll probably, like, I don't know, maybe push it up a little bit more just to cover any fees, just in case it does wick back down there. But sometimes when I do this, I'm a bit too hasty to put the stop loss into profit. And sometimes a wick comes down, closes my trade, then it goes back up again. So I haven't really got that bit sorted in my life, have I? Or maybe I should just think, okay, I'm $350 in profit now. Why didn't I just take the profit and then do it all over again? I might do that as well. Anyway, it's all good fun. And if you want to use my affiliate link to get a Bitget account, you can get up to a 30,000 USDT trading bonus. And I'm also doing a giveaway of $1,000 myself out of my own pocket once I've got 100 active traders. At the moment, there's about 27. So if you want to get involved with that, go to savewithcrypto.org/bitget. As a little tip, what I would do is try and make your first deposit a reasonably large one, and then you'll get the free trading bonus and all that kind of thing. But you'll see the details when you go to the site. But for now, I think I'll just get this video out because I want to do the Tada Launchpad one, which I think is available to do in about 15 minutes. Okay, so if you've enjoyed the video, please give the video a like, leave a nice comment, make sure you are subscribed and you've got the notifications set on all, and above all, tell your friends.